Hey guys, Mr. Davis here. Hope everyone's staying safe at home, everyone's getting their homework done, and I just hope everyone's well. Anyways, I just wanted to come on here and I wanted to let you guys know that I'm thinking about you, and I made a little something for you, so I hope you enjoy it. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Split your English muffin. Take 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce and put it on your English muffin. You want to make sure you spread it evenly so it covers the whole muffin. Now take a pinch of garlic salt and sprinkle it evenly on your tomato sauce. Take some mozzarella cheese and put it on your pizza. You want to make sure you get plenty of mozzarella cheese to cover that pizza. Next, for your topping, Chef Bryce has chosen to use salami, but you can use any type of topping you want. Different meats, vegetables, whatever you want to have on there. Make sure you get plenty of topping on there. Next, stick it in your tray. Place the pizza into the oven and then cook the pizza for about 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Wow, Chef Bryce did such an amazing job. Look at how wonderful this pizza turned out. Nice and golden brown. Make sure you have your parents take this out of the oven for you, as the pan is very hot.